Hey food lovers, ready for a culinary adventure that's simple and delicious? Welcome to Ayesha's Food Lab. Today we're diving into minimalistic cooking. I'm going to show you how to whip up magic with just 2 ingredients. Yes, only 2. It's amazing what you can create with just a couple of items from your pantry. We're making 3 super simple and quick recipes that are going to blow your mind. These recipes are perfect for those days when you want something tasty but don't have a lot of time or ingredients on hand. Let's dive right in. First up, let's make some fluffy banana pancakes. These pancakes are not only easy to make but also incredibly delicious. All you need are 2 ripe bananas and 2 eggs. That's it. Mash those bananas in a bowl until they're nice and smooth, then whisk in the eggs until you have a smooth batter. It's that simple. Pour the batter into a hot pan and cook for a couple of minutes on each side until golden brown. The smell is going to be irresistible. Stack them up and drizzle with honey. You can also add some fresh fruits or nuts if you like. These pancakes are so light, airy, and naturally sweet. Perfect for a quick breakfast or a lazy weekend brunch. Next, we have creamy peanut butter fudge. This one is a game changer. It's rich, smooth, and utterly decadent. Grab a cup of peanut butter and a cup of your favorite frosting. You can use chocolate, vanilla, or any flavor you love. Mix them together until well combined. The mixture should be smooth and creamy. Spread the mixture into a lined pan. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Pop it in the fridge for an hour to set. The waiting is the hardest part. Once it's firm, cut into squares. These little bites of heaven are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. This fudge is so rich, smooth, and utterly decadent. You won't believe it's made with just 2 ingredients. Last but not least, let's make some indulgent chocolate mousse. This dessert is going to be a hit at any gathering. You won't believe it's just 2 ingredients. You'll need a cup of heavy cream and a cup of chocolate chips. Simple, right? Melt the chocolate chips in the microwave or on the stove. Be careful not to burn them. Let the melted chocolate cool a bit, then whip the heavy cream until you get soft peaks. This will give the mousse its light and airy texture. Gently fold the melted chocolate into the whipped cream until fully combined. The mixture should be smooth and velvety. Spoon the mousse into glasses and chill in the fridge for at least an hour. This will allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. Top with some chocolate shavings for that extra touch of elegance. You can also add a dollop of whipped cream if you're feeling fancy. This mousse is so rich and velvety, it's an absolute crowd pleaser. Perfect for any occasion. There you have it, 3 amazing recipes with just 2 ingredients each. Simple, quick, and so delicious. If you try any of these, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how they turned out for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ayesha's Food Lab for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking! Catch you next time!